Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Hulu from your Apple TV. So this is going to become particularly useful for individuals who no longer use Hulu, or maybe you've unsubscribed to Hulu and no longer need it. How do you actually go ahead and delete Hulu? Either way guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually delete Hulu is that if you pull your remote out, go ahead and hold the center button for about 1 to 2 seconds, and then you're going to see this toggle menu here appear. So what it says is that the first option is edit home screen, and then it says move to, and then it says delete app. So you're going to click on delete app in order to actually remove Hulu from your Apple TV. But make sure that you do want to delete Hulu though, or else you're going to need to reinstall Hulu on your Apple TV. But again, simply just hold the center icon and then click on delete app over here. But that right there guys is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and delete Hulu from your Apple TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.